Hello guys, let me introduce the timer section for the flexible page builder. It has two tabs, settings and section content. In the settings tab, you have display section toggle, which controls whether the section is visible on the front end. The full width section toggle controls how wide is the section. Is it stretched from edge to edge, or it is fit inside the central container of the theme. The ground color, image and video are the inputs for styling your section in a unique way. Section ID and section class allows you to target this section for events tracking or styling. Basic animation allows you to set CSS animation for this item. You can leave it with no animation, choose one out of three, or create your own one. Section title, tag and description are used to show information about the section for SEO purposes or presentation. Now the timer section actually has the image input, which is shown on the left. The buttons repeater allows you to show as many buttons as you want. You have the timer deadline, it calculates up to, and the description column. Everything's pretty simple. Just specify your information and update the section and save the post. Good luck.